Alright, we're on Steel Fork. 1997 Morgan coaster. Takes you up 205 feet. Drops you 205 feet. I'm not sure how high it takes you up. I think it's a max speed of like 60 miles an hour. But I'm not 100% sure about that either. Again,
70,
a bunch of facts that I'm not right about.
I think it's actually 70. But it's very similar to Magnum looks like. So it's really fun. Get a nice view of the parking lot.
View of the Talon.
Yeah. Here we go.
Go to a tunnel.
It's a nice slow drop. There we go.
Oh, this is way smoother than Magnum.
Very smooth. Good air time. Mid-course.
Oh, way better. Recency bias, but that's way better than Magnum.
Agreed.